Hi, West Noble mathematicians. We are here today. We, meaning my sidekick Ducky here, wants to help us out with our math skills today. Today we are going to be learning how to do some new strategies of adding a 10 to any number. We're going to use the strategies that we already know of using our 10s and our 1s. So we're going to be using 10 sticks and the 1 circle dots. We're also going to be learning a new strategy on how to write our equations vertically. That means going up and down. So we have the equation 40 plus 12 equals. That's how we're used to seeing it go, the horizontal way. Let's try and write it going the vertical way. We're going to take 40 and we have in that 4 10s and 0 1s. And then we have the number 12. And inside of that we have 1 10 and 2 1s. And that's all to my vertical equation. But I need to add my plus sign. So when I go vertical, it goes over here on the side. My equals changes a little bit when I write it vertically. I just draw one line right underneath. You have to make sure that you keep your 1s in a good column and your 10s in the column together. All right, let's use the old strategies that we know of using our 10s and 1s. When I make 40, I'm going to make the number 40 using my 10 sticks and 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's make the number 12 using 10 sticks and dots. Help me out, friends. 1 10 and how many 1s? That's right. 2 1s. 1, 2. All right. Now let's count our new strategy of counting all my 10s. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. So I write my 5 10s. And how many 1s do I have with all of that? 1, 2 1s. And that makes the number 52. So now let's use our vertical knowledge that we know. I start with always my 1s row and I add 0 plus 2. What is 0 plus 2? That's right, friends. It is 2. And now I'm going to add my 10s row. What is 4 plus 1? That's right, 5. And what was our answer? Good job, 52. I can check it because that's what awesome mathematicians do. They do both ways to double check themselves. I got 52 using my 10 sticks and circles, and I got 52 using the new cool vertical way of adding. Let's try another one together. Okay, let's try adding 28 plus 60 equals. All right, that's the old way that we know how. Let's try and put it into the vertical format of doing my 10s and my 1s. Okay, 28. How many 10s are in 28? That's right, 2 10s. How many 1s? 8. You guys are awesome today. Okay, now I'm going to do the number 60. How many 10s? 6 10s. And how many 1s? Great job, 0. I'm going to put my plus sign over here when I write it vertical. And do you remember what an equal sign looks like? That's right, just one line underneath my problem. Okay, I'm going to use some of the knowledge that we already know on how to make my 10 sticks over here. So in 28, I have how many 10s? Super, 2 10s. And how many 1s? Good job. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when I make 60, what am I going to do? You try it and I'll try it at the same time. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Did we get the same thing? Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start counting my 10s first. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 8 tens. And how many ones did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many is that all together, my friends? That's right, it's the number 88. Let's try and take that over now and do the cool way of adding it vertically. Remember, I always start on my ones row, and I can cover up the tens and hide them because I'm only adding the ones right now. 8 plus 0 equals, good job, 8. Now I'm going to add the tens. 2 plus 6. That's right, it equals 80. What answer did I get? 88. And did it match my other strategy of using the 10 sticks and circles? It sure did. That's great, guys. Let's try one more just to make sure that we've got how we do this today. Let's try 30 plus 43 equals. What am I going to have to put up here first? That's right, my tens and my ones rows. Okay, you fill in your chart and I'll fill mine in too. And let's see if I match what your thinking is today. 30, and I have to make sure that my columns are lined up. 43, plus goes on the side, and remember my equals. Good job, friends. Now, should I try and do it a little bit differently? How about if I start first with adding it the new vertical way? So I start with my ones. What is 0 plus 3? 3. And do my tens. 3 plus 4. That's right, 7. What's my answer? 73. Now let's be a good mathematician and go back and check it using my 10 sticks and ones. Here we go. 30 is 10, 20, 30, and 43. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's check it again. Here we go. Count my tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That means I have 7 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. That's right, my number is 73. Do they both match? They sure do. Great job of learning, my friends. Now you know how to add 10 to any number, and it is your turn to practice now. You can do lots of great things. Have a fun time learning.